Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's card is this one. I don't make cards on video very often, but I really wanted to use this new stamp set and I thought this was a fun technique. So this one is using the new Crafting With You. It's $1 million stamp set and it's got all sorts of crafting things. Now there are dies that go with it. I don't have the dies handy. I do have them, not completely sure I know where they are. So it's not just these items that will die cut, but it's also a few other things like our trimmer. You could die cut our trimmer. Too cute. But I wanted to use this, but I also wanted to show off some of our new colours as blends. So this is Bubble Bath. That one actually is Petal Pink. That's Lemon Lolly. That is Soft Sea Foam. I want to say that's Balmy Blue, and that's Fresh Freesia. And I'm going to show you how to make it. So, piece of cardstock, cut it in half and score it in half to make your base. And then 2 pieces of basic white that are going to sit over the front with an equal border all the way around. So one for the outside, one for the inside. And then 6 colours. So as I said, I showed you those, so I basically went rainbow. But this time I'm going to use slightly darker colours. I'm going to use our new in colours. So I'm also going to put them into... I want bronze, silver, gold, and I'm going to put rose gold there, and I'm going to put that one there. So I'm seeing these as metallic colours. So that to me is bronze, silver, gold, rose gold, platinum. It's not, but that's how I'm seeing them. So, but yeah. So all you do is you take your thick marker and you just scribble. It's as simple as that. Doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be perfect. So that one was Wild Wheat. This one is Pebbled Path. And then we're going to go Copper Clay. And I'm going to bring the Moody Mauve up here. It's not neat, it's not perfect, that's okay, I'm good with that. Boho Blue over here. And shall I bring that one back down here? Yeah, let's do that. Let's just bring another one back in. I'm just glancing over to see if there's another in colour that I fancy bringing in, but I'm not. I'm going to bring Wild Wheat back in again. It's quite a nice yellow. It's sort of along the lines of Crushed Curry, but I've been using this quite a lot with Lemon Lolly. Okay, just set that off to one side for a second and then bring in my stamp set. So I want 6 for the outside and 1 for the inside. So I'm going with the cut and emboss machine, a sewing machine, some pretty flowers, some wool, the paint brushes, and then You Inspire Me. And then for the inside, I've got the paint. The artist's easel. Okay, and I've got a whole load of blocks in here. So I'm just going to come along and pick them all up. Okay, and then I'm using Memento because I am going over blends, alcohol mugs. I couldn't think what they were called. I want this one. So, when I'm using a big stamp like this, I twist and then tap, and then I know I've got proper full coverage. And then I'm going to put that on there, press on there, and then you can write your message. Oh, that wasn't very straight. Let's use the emergency reverse side. Oh, I've just dropped that on my leg. Let's try and line that up a bit straighter. And I don't know if my head's on camera. Let's just hope it isn't. So, try that again. You can write your message on that bit. That's now to the right. Oh, let's just not worry. Okay. So, here we go. Let's do some stamping. So I've got my little cut and emboss machine and I'm going straight over that Wild Wheat. That's quite a big one. This is a big image as well, and I'm going to pop that apparently way too far down on my desk, over the boho blue. I'm going to take my paintbrushes and put those over copper clay, some flowers over the other wild wheat. Oh, drop the lid now. I've got dropsy going on. And then my wool up here. And then with my sentiment, you inspire me, straight over that pebbled path. And let's put it together. This is going to be the quickest card I think I've ever made. So, oops. On there, so let me find the front of my card. And then this one for the inside. You see, is that? No, that's definitely not straight. That's fine. We'll use that one. And then, just to finish off, I'm going to get some rhinestones. Oh! I'm just scatter them around the "you inspire me" bit. Oopsie. And that, I think, is a fun way to make a card. How cute. So this one is all pastels, and this one is the new in colours. I really like it. I think that's a lot of fun. Now, I have said that they're metallics, so I'm wondering, let's just try this and see. And I'm going to try it on here. If I put some Wink of Stella over this part of the sewing machine, do we think it makes it more metallic? And well, wool wouldn't be metallic. To be honest, neither would a cut and emboss machine, but let's just see what happens. I think that does. I don't know that you're going to see it particularly well on camera, but let's see if I can put a torch on my phone or something. See if I can get a shine going where you could see it. Can you see that twinkling? There we go. So that does make it kind of metallic. What about the cut and emboss machine? See? Gold, silver, gold, no, bronze, silver, gold, rose gold, platinum. Anyway, what do you think? I hope you like them. Thank you ever so much for joining me in less than 8 minutes with chatter. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.